Items for delivery of judgment. Item number 8, Criminal Appeal 76 of 2023.
Appeal partly allowed.
Lordship.
While affirming conviction and sentence of the appellant under Section 5A of the Explosive Substance Act 1908,
Yes, sir.
his conviction and sentence under Section 3A of the Explosive Substance Act stands set aside in quasi. Now he has to suffer the imprisonment under Section 5A, 5S.
Apply.
Item number 9, bail application 462 of 2024.
Petition dismiss.
May page Lordship. Lordship, with a concern of the other side, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 of the daily list, Lordship. Lordship, it may be kindly pass over for that day, Lordship.
On the appeal being made by Mr.
Biswajit Talukdar,
Learned Counsel. Where is your name?
in the second, Lordship, B Talukdar.
Yes. Learned Counsel for the applicant raises and list the matter on
Any date, Lordship. Any date. Interim may be continued.
interim is there.
Okay, after vacation,
After vacation, Lordship.
No.
27.
When did you file the application?
Lordship, we file. It's just call for CD, Lordship.
No, I am asking you, when did you file the petition?
Petition, Lordship, on to check that date, Lordship. This record is not.
So in the case of Satendra, until Supreme Court has fixed the timeline, within which period the bail application has to be disposed of?
So that's, but it's on the matter of the CD, Lordship.
Hmm?
Just fixed for CD.
27 March.
So
Any date.
more than 2 months already elapsed.
Any date.
Mexico. 20.
Highly obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship. Lordship, the matter may adjourn for the day, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, amicus D. Saikia is not well, Lordship.
Amicus B.
D. Saikia, Lordship.
Acha. On the pair being made by Mr.
A. Iqbal, Lordship.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Ms. D. Soikia, Learned Amicus Curiae. Rest is the list of matter on.
Thursday, 25th. 25th June, Tuesday. For bail hearing, item 1.
Yes.
As per last order, the PW number 7 has been examined, Lordship. That was in record, Lordship. There was nothing stated against the petitioner, Lordship. Out of 11, 7 has been examined, Lordship. We have not stated anything against the present petitioner, Lordship. PW 7 is the Caesar witness, Lordship. Ujjwal Day.
No, the thing is that it is not the prosecution case that the contraband substances were recovered from his possession.
Substance are not recovered from him, but only the co-accused informed the investigating agent that they will process the contaminants from them. Nothing has been
No,
recovered.
the thing is that there was frequent connection between the three ladies who were traveling in a train from Dimapur to hand over the seized articles to the present applicant, present accused.
They called up the present, but the present sir did not pick up the phones lost in the charge sheet they have stated.
Hmm,
And no CDR has been recorded, lordship.
no CDR.
No CDR.
Hmm.
Collector CDR mobile number showing so, page 30 lordship.
Yes, sir, Mr. Sharma.
My lord.
The
My lord,
prisoner did not pick up.
my lord, it is my lord clearly reflected, my lord, that no, Caesar is not from the present position, my lord. But my lord, he was arrested from the parking place of that, my lord, railway
No,
station.
that's why, because section 29 is also there.
Yes,
Section
my
20 is jealous. 21C and 29.
Hmm.
Allowed a
So
prisoner.
whether CDR was collected?
No, lordship, and as per
No.
my lord.
You know, how many witnesses were cited in the search sheet?
lordship, there are 11 witnesses cited. Out of
Seven.
11, 7 already examined.
Is there any incriminating materials in the statement under section 161 CRPC of the witnesses who are yet to be examined? Mr. Sharma?
My lord, that also I have to go through, my lord, once again, my lord.
No, that is the question to be answered by you. No?
My lord,
If none of the witnesses, 7 witnesses examined by prosecution implicated him, then if there is no material in the 161 statement, then we can take a decision.
my lord. My lord, wait, fix on tomorrow, my lord, I'll
Tomorrow,
again go through, my lord,
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Lordship, tomorrow I have a problem, there are some medical
Day after tomorrow.
appointment is just of, the day after tomorrow, lordship. If, as per my line.
My,
Only tomorrow I have some problems.
No, Mr. Gogoi, one thing more. This is second bail
Lordship,
application.
second bill. Please.
Second bail application is maintainable only on the ground of change of circumstance in your favor.
Lordship,
So is there any change of circumstance in your favor?
Lordship, earlier, lordship, this has.
Because earlier we have in the order by which the pair of the present accused was dismissed by this court. Everything has been discussed. So we cannot review that finding unless some new change of circumstance or new circumstances emerge. Okay, anyway, let me go through the record then. On the pair being made by Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PT, recessal is the matter day after tomorrow.
my lord.
Lordship,
So as to enable Mr. Sharma to go to the record of the learned trial court.
highly obliged.
Item 2.
Lordship, kindly adjourn the matter for a day, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, my senior is in next in another court, Lordship.
Ms. Dekar, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. S.C. Kayal, learned counsel for the NCB, standing counsel for the NCB, price for listing the matter. Tomorrow,
Lordship, day after tomorrow.
day after tomorrow,
Lordship, kindly fix on 20, lordship.
20,
20, lordship.
20. Mr. Your good name,
Yeah, Mohsin, lordship.
M. Hussain, learned counsel for the accused also considered to the pair being made by mistake and contended to list the matter on 20 pair allowed.
Item 4.
Highly obliged.
May I please receive, my lord? My lord, in this case, my lord, charge sheet has not been submitted and it is on record, my lord. My lord, after perusal of the charge sheet, my lord, it is found that, my lord, we both learned 50 and we go through the charge sheet. It is found that the petitioner is not charge sheeted, my lord. And
Not
my lord,
charge sheet.
not charge sheet, my lord, and now legal aid council is also there, my lord. So my lord, the legal aid council in the
When charge sheet was submitted?
30,
Also submitted, my lord, 27/5,
27/5.
my lord.
So he has not been forwarded.
My lord, no, my lord, in the record, my lord, charge sheet is there, my lord.
Hmm.
And my lord, I have flag marked that charge sheet, my lord.
so my lord, no case against him, my lord, since not charge sheeted, my lord.
Serial number 11 is the that search sheet point in regards of the prison. In the search sheet,
Serial number 11.
Is Raju.
SK.
Raju SK, yes, my lord. Perhaps, my lord, the FIR also amply demonstrated that, but there is actually, my lord, no specific allegation against him.
Search sheet of the- that is-
So third minister is Laskar, learned counsel for the applicant, and Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP for the state respondent. And Mr. P. Soikia, learned legal aid counsel for the respondent number 2.
Right.
This application under section 438 CRPC is preferred by applicant. Raju Sheikh alias Raju, who has been apprehended arrested in connection with Bagriwari PS case number 107 of 2023 under section 365, 376, 3, 506 IPC, reduced section 4 of the POCSO Act. This is second bail application.
No, my lord, first, my lord.
First, it is to be noted here that above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR loss by one Somiran Nessa on 2/9/2023. Page 9 is the FIR.
Yes, my lord. Vernacular is page 13, my lord.
The sense of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that. Somiran Nessa, it is naam to heavy coding. By Srimati X, written like a name hotel. The sense of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that on 1/9/2023 at about 8:30 AM, she went to Marcus Academy situated at Panbari. And after reaching the school, she came to know that that the school was closed on that day. And in the meantime, one Safiqul Islam, along with two other friends, namely Muzarraf Ahmed and Raju, arrived at there in a Maruti car and asked her to board the vehicle, assuring to drop her in her residence. But instead of dropping her in her residence, they have taken her to Bagribari in spite of her resistance. And there, the accused persons forcefully took her to a place, namely Angarkata, and struck her in a house. And thereafter, Safiqul Islam committed sexual intercourse with her forcefully, as per his entitlement.
File number 5.
Application of 48 of CRPC Lordship. Allegation against 294, 323, 354, 379 Lordship.
CD
City received, my lord, but it is not up to date, my lord. Your lordship order dated, my lord, 1/5/2024. But that, my lord, nothing.
What is the allegation?
Allegations,
FIR is that page number?
page number 13, Lordship.
So this is first or second application?
Second application, Lordship. Second, first rejection only for grievous hurt, but in the affair, no allegation is grievous hurt or section is registered, Lordship. T26 not registered. We registered T23, Lordship.
So, what is your submission, Mr. Sharma?
So, my lord, that part is already, my lord, is there, my lord, your lordship order, previous order, that injury. And my lord, regarding that, my lord, already it
No,
is
since when the case diary is not updated?
not up to date. My lord.
When? Since when?
Since, my lord, it is 35, my lord, 304, 30 April.
So since then they have not been collecting the case diary from your office.
Yes, madam. We are actually not collecting.
So you produce updated case diary.
My lord.
Also, till
Because
date,
we have
Lordship,
rejected earlier.
also till date, I am very protect me, Lordship.
No, no, no.
I will go to
No.
record my version, Lordship, before I will, Lordship.
No.
Lordship. As per the FIR, no allegation is T26 and only 294, T54, T79. That's it. The information is get it from my house.
No,
Sorry,
no, this grievous injury is there. We have already recorded. Mr. B. Sharma learned additional 50 submits that he has received the case diary, but the same has not been updated since
Since, my lord, 304, 30 April, man,
30th April 2024.
24.
Accordingly, it is provided that Mr. Sharma shall produce the updated case diary before this court on. Okay.
21st?
In the event of failing to produce the updated case diary, the court will proceed to hear and dispose of this application without perusing the case diary.
Item 6.
May I please, Lordship? This is maintenance related matter, Lordship. Last occasion, Lordship, twice, Lordship, that there is a direction to complete area at 50% of area maintenance, Lordship. But till that he has not paid any single amount, Lordship, thereafter also, Lordship.
My lord, due to some family problem, my lord, he could not able to pay, my lord. So some more time may be given, my lord.
Last order maybe seen, Lordship, there is a direction that they have to show the proof, Lordship, that they have already paid. Because earlier occasion also there is a direction.
So, how much amount you have paid?
Nothing, Lordship, not a single amount.
No, my lord, he is not able to pay anything, my lord. As a,
So, what is his profession?
my lord, he is a teacher, my lord.
Teacher.
Yes.
So, Lordship, I may pray, Lordship, it concern DDO may be directed, Lordship, to take some money from his account. Otherwise, Lordship, he will not pay, Lordship. Now, he is, Lordship, even he stopped to pay the current monthly also, Lordship. Everything is stopped, Lordship.
Where he has been serving?
My lord, he is serving, my lord,
Lordship.
Walpara, my
Yes,
lord.
Lordship. Headmaster of Pakhiura, Borfuli LP School, Lordship.
Pakhiura?
Pakhiura, Borfuli LP School. It is under DDO is Block Limited Division of Matia.
Matia.
Matia Block, Lordship.
Hmm.
So he will be directed.
And what is the quantum?
Lordship, it may be, Lordship, about 3 lakhs, Lordship. So he may be given a monthly basis also, Lordship, at least 20,000. Because his now present salary is, Lordship, about 50,000, Lordship. Now he's taking plea, Lordship, that he has money. He has no money. It's just a plea, Lordship.
No, have you produced his this salary statement?
So let's have, Lordship. Next day I can, Lordship, but today just I collected this information, Lordship.
You produce your salary certificate on the next date. We'll see.
And a teacher, Lordship, and he's avoiding his burden is in this way, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Asaf, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. A. Hussain, learned counsel for the respondent number 1. Mr. Hawk, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that though by order dated 24/5/2024, the respondent was directed to pay at least 50% of the arrear amount within a period of 2 weeks from 24/5/2024, but Mr. Hawk submits that not a single penny is being paid by the applicant. No, paid by the respondent number 1 to the applicant. Mr. Hawk further submits that the applicant has been serving as a teacher,
Head teacher lordship.
head teacher,
Yes, lordship.
as a headmaster in
Pakhiura Bihar Fully LP School.
Pakhiura
Bihar Fully.
Biharfuli
Yes. BIHRFULI.
Biharfuli LP School under Matia
Block Education Officer.
Matia
Matia
Block
BO.
Elementary Education Officer.
Yes.
Officer. And therefore, Mr. Hawk submits that the Block Elementary Education Officer Matia may be directed to deduct salary, no, deduct the amount from the salary of the respondent number 1. But Mr. Hawk failed to produce the salary certificate of the applicant before this court. No, of the respondent number 1 before this court today. Accordingly, it is provided that Mr. A. Hussain, learned counsel for the respondent number 1, shall produce the salary certificate of the respondent number 1, latest salary certificate of the respondent number 1 before this court on Monday or
Monday.
Tuesday.
Yes. Yes.
When?
My lord, 19, my lord, it will be difficult, my lord, another, some more time maybe give me.
No. You have to produce first the salary certificate. Thereafter, we will take care of it.
21st, Friday.
Yes, 21st. 21st without fail.
Right.
Otherwise, we will make the education department as party in this proceeding, and we will direct them to instruct the block elementary education officer to deduct the amount from your salary. Otherwise,